Hey everyone, this side Anshul Srivastava from Bitquick Academy, your ReactJS tutor, and today I'm going to show you how a normal website look like and how a ReactJS website look like. So let's quickly dive into this. Let me show my screen to you. So let me share you a URL for a normal website. Let's open this. I'm opening any dummy website where I can show you some, live interactions for the web pages. So if I click on here, see that page is getting reload, right? So, and if I click again this, so every time if I click on any other link, you see that page is getting reload, right? On the other hand, if I show you a React official website and we click any link, you see that page is not getting reload, right? So why it is happening? This is all because React is designed to follow SPA architecture. What is SPA means? Single page architecture, where we just have an index.html and there we have lots of components which are getting rendered. That's why our page does not get reload when we click anywhere in the React application or React web pages or React websites. So let me show you one of the websites which I created. So this is the website of Genesis. It's our product for testing services. So I created this website in ReactJS. If I click any other link, you see that page is not getting reload, right? So this is now you will understand how a normal website and how a ReactJS website look like. So let me show you the code as well so that you can get a better idea. So here I have a basic HTML CSS code. Okay, so let me open this for you. We will install an extension, live server. Okay, if you install this, you will be able to run the HTML CSS project. So we'll go live here. So this is a normal HTML CSS website. You see that. So what we are doing here, you see the, code length, the line of codes, which is LOC basically. So you see that there is too much we are writing and we are also repeating the same things again and again, right? So what we can do in ReactJS, we can create components for each part which we want to use. Like we have header here. So we can create a component for header and then we can use it instead of this portion of code, we'll move that into a separate file and use it here. So this will also reduce the line of code and our application or website will get optimized. How I can do? Let me show you on UI as well. So here what we can do to convert it in React, we can create a component named header. Header includes this part, like basically this, where also we can do another component. We can create another component named navigation, where we can put this portion of code into navbar. And then we can create an intro part section where we can put our this block of code. We can also create small components. We can create component for this and we can use this button again and again. So instead of writing the all code of which we do in HTML and CSS, we can simply use the newly created component of button everywhere instead of writing like around 20 or 25 lines of code again and again. So that's how we can reduce the code complexity, the lines of code, and optimize our web page or web applications or applications like mobile, everything through ReactJS in a very easiest way. And how we are going to do it, I'll show you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.